Hello everyone. In the third part, we are going to generate action rules and association action rules using random forest algorithm. In this section, we are executing the using the random forest algorithm to two different data sets. So one is the car data, so it has got list of attributes and the data file, and one is for mammographic. So even it has got the list of attributes in the attribute.txt file and the data. So this is our jar file, and I have already transferred the card data and mammographic data to Hadoop file system. Now we are going to execute this application and check the outputs. So for this we will be using putty. So to just have a look at the available files in the Hadoop file system. So here is the car folder and here is the mammographic. So we will be executing the jar file, and the syntax is Hadoop jar, and this is the location for the jar file. This is the main class name, and this is the attribute file, the input file 1, and input file 2 is the data file. And there are two output folders. One is the action rules output and the other is association action rules output. So let's execute this. So let's select a stable attribute. So we have set the decision attributes, and the stable attributes, and minimum support and minimum confidence. So once this is done, let's check the output folder as well. Now let's check the output folder. Now in car folder, previously we have attributes.txt and data.txt. We do have two other folders: action rules output, association action rules output. Let's check what is there in that folders. So the action rules output. So here are the action rules. Here are the additional action rules. So the same way we can also execute this application for other data set. So previously we have done it for car data, and now let's do it for mammographic data. So it's the same syntax: Hadoop jar file, class name, two input files, attribute and data, two output folders, action rules and association action rules. So let's enter the stable attributes. Let's check what's there in the output file. So again, along with attribute.txt and data.txt, there were two new folders created: action rules output and association action rules output.